Wood prices are insane right now, and there's so many projects I still want to do. So to take it easy on my wallet, I thought I'd do a carving from the cheapest wood I could think of, and that's a good old 2x4. I mean, there are plenty of ways to get cheap wood, like stealing from your local park, which I do not endorse. But I got emotionally connected to the idea of a 2x4, so I mean, we're gonna use the 2x4. And I think I have the perfect project for it. Obito's mask from Naruto is a project I've wanted to do ever since I finished the Toby version way back last year. But it's different than my normal carvings since it's got this like top and back part, kind of shaped like a welder's mask, but for weebs. And see, that's where the 2x4 comes in, because with a little bit of glue and a lot of love, I can turn this bad boy into any shape I need, I think. So I have 3 goals for myself on this one. Goal number 1 is I gotta be able to wear it. It's gotta fit on this melon. Goal number 2 is I wanna use just a single 2x4, and if my math's correct, it's gonna be close. Last but not least, goal number 3 is it's gotta look good, BB. I think we can do it. I'm feeling pretty good about this one. I guess now comes the question, do I use the jointer first or do I cut it? I mean, I guess I cut it, or I just wasted all my time making these marks. This is gonna be a little sketchy. Let's see what this is like. Now, is this a good idea? No. Don't do this. Probably. Yes, yes. I should have done this before I used the table saw. How could this go wrong? Am I a genius? More likely an idiot. All right. Oh. I used every last bit of that 2x4. My plan is to have 3 rows, a front row, a middle row, and a back row, and then pray to the wood carving gods that I didn't screw up my measurements and have to start all over. Now there's rollers that you can use to spread the glue, but why would I do that when I got 2 perfectly good rollers right here, you know? Yeah, does that feel nice? I don't know if you can see, but my hands are literally just coated in glue. Who would have thought that would have happened when you don't use glue rollers, huh? It's kind of satisfying though. Yeah, that's nice. Look at this beefy boy. And he feels really solid too. I love him. And now I'm going to literally gouge his eyes out. This wood is way harder to carve than I thought it was gonna be. So instead of doing that, I'm just gonna drill his eyes out and save the detail work for later. Oh no, I don't need another hand. I have this for sure under control. This 2x4 idea is actually working out pretty great. It's kind of like playing with Legos. Let's hope that statement holds up when I actually start to grind on it though. Oh yeah, it holds up. Not even close. Closer. It's so close. It fits. Oh, this is sick. This thing's starting to look like the real deal. And now I need to smooth out the inside because every time I put it on, I get a face splinter. And I've been putting it on a lot. What can I tell you? I'm excited. Sue me. Now the inside's nice and smooth, and look, makes a perfect chip bowl. A lot of sawdust on that one, so. Now it's time for the detail work. I'm gonna take it slow and steady because any mistakes I make, oh, they're permanent. Let's hope I don't f it up. Look at that. I mean, that's looking pretty good. Now all we gotta do is spray paint it. Now it's important, I don't get any paint on my clothes. So that's why I'm wearing my girlfriend's shirt. Dude, I am so happy with how this turned out. I mean, it's so surreal to be able to like hold it and feel the weight of it, you know, and actually like put it on. And it was so easy working with the 2x4, surprisingly. And we completed all of our goals. I can wear it. I used a single 2x4, and I think it looks pretty good. Though you'll have to let me know what you think down in the comment section. I don't think I've ever taken this thing off again. All right, see ya.